everyone, welcome to Databricks Spark Certification Pro Series. I am Shraddha Shetty, and in this series, I will guide you step by step to prepare and confidently pass the Databricks Certified Spark Developer Associate exam. Why this certification? Apache Spark is the backbone of modern data engineering, powering real-time analytics, ETL pipeline, streaming system, and large-scale machine learning workflows. Industries from finance and e-commerce to AI and cloud platforms depend on Spark to process massive data sets efficiently. This certification validates real hands-on proficiency with Spark, not just theory. It helps you stand out from generic data engineering profile and proves you can build and operate data solutions at scale. What this certification covers. In this series, we will walk through every core skill tested in the exam and every concept you need to work confidently with Spark in production. We will cover Spark architecture and components, how to use Spark standard structural query language, how to develop application with the data frame and dataset APIs, how to handle transformation, joins, aggregation, and end-to-end processing, how to troubleshoot and tune data frame application, how to handle performance optimization, debugging, and best practices. We will also walk through structured streaming, and we will also build streamlining pipelines, working with trigger, watermarks, and how to handle late arriving data. Using Spark Connect to deploy application, writing distributed apps from your client environment, using Pandas API on Spark, scaling Pandas workload seamlessly on large data sets. In short, this series gives you everything you need to master Spark and confidently pass the certification. Who is this series for? This series is designed for data engineers, Spark developers, big data professionals, and anyone moving from structured query language or pandas into distributed processing. Even if you're completely new to Databricks, I will guide you step by step from the fundamentals all the way to advanced Spark concepts. Helps with interview. These topics aren't just for the exam, they are exactly what interviewers focus on. You will be ready to answer questions like what's the difference between shuffle join and the broadcast join? How do you optimize a PySpark job? How does Spark ensure fault tolerance? By the end of the series, you won't just pass the certification. You will confidently handle real world data engineering interview questions. How we will learn. We'll follow fully hands-on practical approach. Step-by-step coverage for every exam topics. Live coding in Databricks notebook. Deep dive into internals like partition and execution plan. Practice questions and full mock tests. Real world batch and streaming projects. And yes, tricky concepts will be broken down visually so everything finally clicks. Let's begin. If you're serious about mastering Spark and boosting your data engineer career, hit like, share, and subscribe, and join me in the Module 1 Spark Architecture. See you in the next video. Thank you.